Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about channel grouping. So what are we talking about? So when you are using Matomo Analytics, you may feel like this report over here is not sufficient enough. The reason is that if you are like putting or at least grabbing a lot of visits coming from, let's say, campaigns within Matomo Analytics, everything will be grouped under campaigns, and within the campaign report, it may be very difficult to analyze. So the idea is how can we add additional channel types, for example, like physics, physical events, QR code, email, or even if you would like to split the search engine, even if you would like to split the website, the direct entry, and so on and so forth, or maybe mix some of them together. So it's currently not possible to do it easily within Matomo, but what you can technically do is like you can create a custom dimension at the visit level. So you need to go over here and then you create your custom dimension. You set it up at the dimension at the visits level because there's only one referrer per visit. So in my case here, the ID of the custom dimension is the number 9. Then you go within Matomo Tag Manager, and what you can do is like you can add a tag. The tag is, so in my case, I decided to call it Matomo channel grouping, and then you add the variable over here. In the variable, you're gonna add the number. In my case, that's the number 9. Okay, so over here you add it, so it's number 9. Here as the variable is going to be a conversion table. So conversion table is what we can see over here. So you create a new variable. The variable will be based on the refer URL, and here you can use your conversion table where you're going to say, okay, if the refer name contain, let's imagine that it contain physical, then give the value physical event, for example. Over here, what you're gonna insert is the refer that you want to convert into this given value, and so on and so forth. So in my case, for example, the variable that I created before is the following one. So I created one for Google and one for Yahoo. So if the refer contain the word Google, then I want the channel to have the name search engine, and if it contains Yahoo, I want it to be named small search engines. And then, so you finish to create your tag. Your tag in our situation here should be triggered if the refer URL is not the one of our website. So it will describe what we call a landing page. So I defined it like this. So what is going to happen over here is like if the refer URL does not contain my website, it means that the visit is coming from the outside, which is a refer. And that's mostly it. So after, what's going to happen is like so in my case, I'm just going to delete the cookie. If not, my example won't work. But let's now imagine that someone is going to come on my website through Google, for example, like something like this, and I click on it. So normally, if I'm lucky enough, it should be named as search engine. So visitors, visit logs, today. So in my case here, we can see that the channel grouping worked. It's search engine, that shouldn't be here it should be small search engine instead. So my example is finally not working because it's overwriting it. So like this, if I click over there, okay. So normally now it should carry, okay, small search engine. So that works for for Yahoo. And then as you can see, I have a bug. So I should find out why this value has been changed when I was coming from Google. So it's kind of a minor issue that I need to fix. I guess you understood the idea. And what's gonna happen is like once it's created, so if you go over here into your dashboard, if you click on visitors, then you're gonna have channel grouping, and within the channel grouping, you're gonna get your channels along with let's say the landing page. So in my case here, I'm getting the channel grouping, and I guess normally I should get, no, that's at the visit level, so I won't get that. But here you will get, in fact, all your different channels listed here with the number of visits that they brought you. So the day I will succeed in fixing my bug, I will definitely get exactly the channel grouping thing that we were expecting for in order to see the different channel one after the others.